Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the MSI Stealth A16 AI+, a laptop that's making waves in the world of creators and gamers alike. MSI has packed this machine with some serious hardware, promising a blend of power and versatility. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Starting with the design, the MSI Stealth A16 AI+ exudes a premium feel. It's sleek and stealthy, fitting perfectly into the creator's arsenal. The aluminum chassis not only looks good but also feels sturdy in hand. The hinge design adds a touch of elegance, and the per-key RGB keyboard is a definite eye-catcher. Moving on to the display, MSI has equipped this model with a stunning 16-inch QHD panel. It boasts a 16:10 aspect ratio and a fast 240Hz refresh rate, making it ideal for both work and play. Colors are vibrant thanks to its 100% DCI-P3 coverage, ensuring a visually immersive experience whether you're editing photos or diving into your favorite game. Under the hood, the Stealth A16 AI+ packs some serious firepower. It's powered by the AMD Ryzen 9 HX370 CPU paired with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 GPU. This combo not only handles demanding creative tasks with ease but also delivers smooth performance in AAA gaming titles. The addition of an AI-focused chipset enhances productivity by accelerating AI-driven workflows, promising up to 50 trillion operations per second. In terms of connectivity, MSI hasn't skimped. It features the latest in Wi-Fi 7 technology, ensuring blazing fast wireless speeds when compatible networks are available. For wired connections, you get a versatile selection of ports including USB 4 Type-C with power delivery, USB 3.2 General 2 Type-A, HDMI 2.1, 2.5 Gigabit Ethernet, and a 3.5mm audio jack. This array of ports caters to a variety of peripherals and external displays, enhancing its usability. Now, let's talk about the battery. MSI has equipped the Stealth A16 AI+ with a substantial 99.9 Wh battery, aiming for extended usage without frequent recharges. However, during testing, we observed that the laptop tends to get quite hot, especially under heavy loads. Thermal management is crucial here, and we hope MSI can address this in future updates. In terms of user experience, this laptop excels. The keyboard provides a satisfying typing experience with ample key travel, complemented by a responsive touchpad that feels precise. The inclusion of powerful speakers adds to the immersive experience, whether you're consuming media or participating in video conferences. To sum it up, the MSI Stealth A16 AI+ is a compelling choice for professionals and gamers looking for a versatile powerhouse. With its potent hardware, stunning display, and thoughtful design touches, it strikes a balance between productivity and entertainment. However, potential buyers should keep an eye on its thermal performance and consider their specific workflow needs. That wraps up our review of the MSI Stealth A16 AI+. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Product Critique.